DaVinci for beginners. So easy. Today we're gonna learn how to do a dynamic zoom on a video clip in DaVinci Resolve. First thing that we need to do is select the clip that we want to apply in the dynamic zoom and navigate to the inspector panel. Just search for dynamic zoom and enable it. Now, DaVinci Resolve will have applied a zoom out, a reverse zoom. The camera starts close and then moves away. If we want to do just the opposite, the camera approach, we must press the swap button. When clicked, we can verify that now the camera actually gets closer instead of moving away. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you the types of zoom speed that we can choose in the section Dynamic Zoom. If we click on the arrow, 4 options will appear. The first of all is the linear. It is a normal zoom where it remains at all the same speed throughout the video. Secondary, we have the ease in. Zoom starts slowly and increase speed at the end of the video. The third option is ease out. The zoom start fast and slow down towards the end of the video. And the ease in and out is the union of those two. After explaining all of those, you can choose the option you prefer. Now, I will show you how you can manually modify the dynamic zoom. This is the most important part. We must have our video selected and click on the little arrow. Select Dynamic Zoom. Those two colored rectangles will appear. The green rectangular indicate the part where the zoom of our video begins and the red box where the zoom ends. We can modify the size of those two rectangles if we click on any circle in the corner. Decreasing the red box, we can make it the zoom much closer to the face. We can see that the zoom gets much closer now. And if we modify the green rectangular now, the zoom will start at the new position that I have placed the green box. As you can see, now the video starts much closer to the face. And now I will show you how you can pan with a dynamic zoom tool. First we need to modify the green rectangular. The green one is our starting point. So let's place it on the left building and the right rectangular, the red one, place it on the right side. So that's where our movement will finish. So let's check the result now. With this example, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time, first we're gonna focus in the two ladies, particularly in their head, and after that the video slowly will pan towards the credit card and the laptop. That's the basics of dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like and subscribe for more.